Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the next topic, that is the which currency basically handles which currency. That means basically you want to say that basically which currency is handling which all currencies basically. So more there are basically more than 22 currencies basically in this world basically. So which currency is basically handling which currencies? That basically literally the question basically was uh, easy basically and tough also basically. Easy basically means these all are basically common basically, but real basically it's very tough basically. When we see in detail basically, this will become very tough basically. I will take one example basically. For example, one US person basically came to India basically. He basically invested the money. His currency basically got printed as an Indian currency. So he basically started the dependency basically. So the currency basically which was allocated, there basically the dependency change started. So they basically printed a totally different chain basically of the currency basically. So that basically currency dependency started basically. This is basically one example. Then basically the another example, that basically detail basically we will see what actually this is. Then another basically is the one person told that basically do you know basically Apple basically how it creates. Then he told that basically Apple basically how it creates. Yeah, basically Apple basically the software company basically how creates. So just see basically how the software companies are connected with the currency departments basically, and the chemical industry basically connected with the software departments. Like this, he told that basically, do you know? Assume that basically there are around 1500 or 1600 uh, cities created, and that city basically exists in 100 countries basically. And 100 countries means we can say that it's around four currencies basically are connected here. So 100 current country basically, or 100, or basically any basically number basically, 100 countries, or basically 120, 130, 160 countries. We will not take too much basically. I will take just 100 only basically. 100 countries, four currencies basically connected, and Apple creation is going to happen. And here basically the 1600 basically is the city basically. So this is basically the formula basically. So here basically whenever the company owner basically of the Apple creation basically, Apple, that is basically you can say uh, the software basically who for example Apple is created from the CRM software. So that CRM software basically generates the Apple with the energy of that 1600 cities basically. So like this basically he successfully creates the Apple. So he told that basically the currency basically directly depends on them. He told that basically Apple basically produce around 1000 crore basically rupees, 1000 crore rupees. So 1000 crore rupees, that means basically it's connects with the GDP basically. 1000 crore basically if one company is basically producing just Apple basically, how many basically other things basically you might be producing. So few software company basically earns more than 70-80 thousand crore basically per month basically, 70-80 thousand crore basically. But this basically they basically never gets display in the balance sheet basically in front of the public basically. But real basically 70-80 thousand crore basically they gets basically in their accounts basically. That basically is that 12,000 crore basically dollar we have told, that how basically 12,000 crore basically dollar basically is in one of the BSE stock exchange basically, how that is, that we will see basically how this is connected there also. So 50, 70 to 80,000 crore basically they gets the income from the Apple basically, so from the Apple production only basically. And basically the software company basically say that basically we have just earned basically 200 crore, 300 crore, 400 crore, maximum basically 500 crore basically they say basically. This basically is the income from the software side basically. but the human needs basically which they produce, that is also part of the software, but that basically takes as a different thing, basically different entity. So that basically income basically is 70 to 80,000 crore basically. So 70 to 80,000 crore basically, you can just imagine basically 70 to 80,000 crore means what the basically the income is basically just one from one CRM software. Like this basically how many software might be there? So minimum one big company basically I'm talking about, not because small company basically can't do the investment basically of the 50,000. Basically minimum investment basically of for this basically is more than crore basically. So crore means how many crore basically, that's basically very difficult to tell also basically. But minimum 500 600 crore basically will be there basically. Minimum basically 500 600 crore dollar pound basically, that basically it's very difficult to tell, but minimum basically this many amount will be there basically to create one Apple only basically. But that basically because that I will tell you why basically it's tell like this basically. For example, when you produce the Apple basically, that time land is there, right? In land basically by natural basically I am telling you, land is there. So land basically produce the Apple, right? But land basically can produce certain types of apple basically. It will not produce more time. It will not basically, the cycle basically will not be of the apple basically. Cycle means basically you can say apple is producing from 30 years 40 years 50 years 60 years. It will not go beyond up to this level basically. It will go 70 years, assume that basically. But after that basically it will stop producing. If it will produce, then basically it will produce the cancer basically. So that's basically the limitation of the land basically creation. That's why the people basically started creating the apple from the software side basically, and from the chemical side basically. There basically also might be some limitation basically, that basically software industry basically are basically people basically who are connected with the nuclear power company, they only basically can tell basically what is the time period of this basically. Because there might be time, if the land creation basically tells that basically there is a time creation error is there basically. So this is basically human basically, that is basically created from the universe basically. If universe group basically say that basically this many time only basically the things basically can produce, so human basically are not basically bigger than the universe basically. So that also there also basically time period might be there, but that basically tracking basically, that tracking basically you can track from that particular person basically, but that person basically will be get in trouble basically, because if you are doing this type of experiment, then basically he will get in trouble. So one person told that basically after 70 years basically apple will be looking like how basically, what would be the shape of apple, how which type of vitamins basically the apple is going to produce. The dangerous question basically that he asked actually. Then he told that basically from land basically can we tell basically that from land basically after 70 years basically which type of apple is going to produce. That only nuclear power company knows. Why? Because they know that basically after 70 years earth planet is going to move to this which side basically. According to that basically their plan is there ready. According to that the plan basically of the nuclear company basically is ready. According to the plan basically their nuclear company is ready basically. So nuclear company says that basically we are basically ready. After 70 years basically the earth planet is going to move that side basically, then we basically are ready. So earth planet is going to produce which type of apple basically, that basically nuclear power company knows basically. Same way basically the nuclear power company basically says that this all are the basically software chemicals basically which is going to produce this type of apple basically, this type of apple basically. So just see basically up to what powerful basically the nuclear power companies basically are, and how powerful the power company basically are. So here basically we are discussing that basically currencies dependency basically. So indirectly we already discussed the currency dependency also. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the currencies dependency in detail basically, what actually currencies dependency is, what is currency, that basically we have already shown, and currency energy dependency, each and everything basically we are going to see in next video in the next part basically.